Hi everyone, I hope you are okay today. It is Thursday, the 28th of January today, and this is our maths lesson. And today in maths, we are going to be looking at the 5 times table, okay? So what we're going to do first is we're going to have a little practice at counting in fives, okay? Let's have a look here first, but before we do that, I'd like us to count in tens first, just to have a bit of a practice. So you can see here, I haven't started from 0, I haven't started from 10, and I haven't started from 20, have I? It starts from 30, 40, 50, 70, 80, 90. Now what has happened here with this card? Okay, let's have a look here. We've got a card missing. Let's have a look. Where are we going to put that? This arrow, I think, is giving us a clue. Do we think it needs 60 is in between 50 and 70? I think you're right. Well done. We're going to count in fives now. What is the same and what is different from counting in tens? Let's have a go. 0. We're not going to say 10 though, are we? Because we're counting in fives. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Well done. What I would like you to do now is pause the video and I would like you to draw your own number line and count in fives on your own number line. Mrs. Cockram's going to do that too now. My whiteboard pen is running out though, look. So I'm going to start at 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. I'm only going up to 30 on mine because it's running out of space, but I'd like you to go all the way up to 50. And then we're going to have a conversation about what we notice is the different from counting in tens. Okay, so let's have a look. What do we notice here about this number here? 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 Have a pause this and have a chat to the person next to you what you notice about them numbers that Mrs. Cockram just showed you. That's right, they all end in a 0 and they are counting up in tens. So when you count in tens, it goes 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Well done. So they all end in a 0. So when we're counting in fives, we know that one of the numbers ends in a 0. What about the other number? Let's have a look at this. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. So when we're counting in fives, they either end in a 5 or a 0, don't they? Well done. This is counting backwards. Let's have a go at this. 50, 45, 40, 35, 30, 25, 20, 15, 10, 5, 0. Well done. Look, can you see here? One of our alpha blocks. Can you see our alpha blocks here? He is 5, isn't he? And on your fingers, you have 5 fingers, don't you? I know we've got 5 fingers here. Okay. That was a song, but I don't think you will have been able to hear it because I remember last time I tried to play a video, you couldn't hear what the song, but it was just saying about a high five song. And Mrs. Cockram isn't that good at singing, so I won't let you listen to my lovely tunes. Count in groups of 5. How many fingers are that? Oh, let's count in fives to see how many fingers we have got all together. Let's do this together then. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. 5, 10. One group of, let me move this down because I think it's cut you off a little bit. Let's see if I can move this down so you can see it a bit more. One group of 5 is 5. Two groups of 5 is 10. Oh, sorry, it's going silly again. 3 groups of 5 is 15. 4 groups of 5 is 20. 5 groups of 5 is 25. So instead of saying 5 groups of 5 is 25, we could write it down like this, couldn't we? We could represent it using the multiplication symbol, the times symbol, which is a cross, couldn't we? So I could write that as 5 groups of 5 equals 25, couldn't I? Because it's a group of, I hope you can see that, 5 times 5 equals 25. Let's carry on going with this. 6 groups of 5 is 30, so 6 times 5 is 30. 7 groups of 5 is 35, 7 times 5 is 35. 8 groups of 5 is 40, 8 times 5 is 40. 9 groups of 5 is 45, 9 times 5 is 45. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Well done. Counting groups of 5. How many groups of 5 are there? And how many dots are there? So if we looked at one group of 5, 1 5 is 5. 2 5s are, so we know we need to go now, 5, 10. 3 5s are, let's do this again, 5, 10, 15. 4 5s are 5, 10, 15, 20. 5 5s are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Like this. Let's have a look at the next one. 6 5s are, I'm going to write that as 6 times 5 equals 6 times 5 equals 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So I know it's 30. And when you write it down like this, you might notice a pattern. Can you see Mrs. Cockram's pattern there when I've written it down as a multiplication? It's going up in 5s, isn't it? My answer here, you can see, wrong side, 25, 30, 35. Well done. Let's have a quick look now at the worksheet you have got for today. Okay, I'm just going to show you that now. I'm going to have a quick look at that. Let me get it up for you now. So these questions are on your worksheet in your work pack, okay? Not this one. I've gone to the wrong one again. Why is it not letting me open it, year 2? Where's it gone? Let me just pause this video while I find it. Hi, I am back again. I found the worksheet. So question 1, match the picture to the times table fact. So what picture here is represented by the fact here? So we've got the first one, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what I might do here is I might, let me see if this let me do it. Let me do it. I might put a circle around each of my groups to help me. I'm sorry, it's not very neat. It's going a bit everywhere, isn't it? It's not ideal doing this on a computer like this. So I might put them around there to make my group. So I know I've got 5 groups of 5. Oh, I thought there wasn't going to be one where it had 5 groups of 5, so I'm going to match that up to my 5 groups of 5 here. Okay, I'm going to let you get on with the other ones, okay? So question 2. Where is question 2? Oh, B. Draw a picture to show 4 times 5. So that is, I want you to show me 4 groups of 5. So 4 groups and 5 in each group. So what I might do here is I might do my 4 groups first. 1, 2, 3, 4. There, I've shown my 4 groups there, and I know I need 5 in each group. I'm going to let you do that one by yourself. You show me what you can do. Complete this number line. We've already gone through a number line. I know you can complete that number line by counting in 5s. Okay? Next, which times table does the number line show? Oh, I might have just given that one away. I'm not going to tell you. Have a look at these. Complete the number sentences. So 5 times 5. Let's do this one together. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. I've used my fingers there to help me count with that. Okay, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So I'm going to write in here, oh, with this pen, 25. There we go. The next one here, can you remember here, Mrs. Cockram said that 9 times 5 and then the equals is here. So this is your answer box still at this side, okay? Have a go at that one. Question 4. How much money does Ron have? So you need to count those 5p's in 5s, remember, and see how much he's got. Then write down the multiplication for that, okay? I think you should be able to do that. Question 5. Okay, I'm going to help you with this because this is a little bit, there's a couple of steps to this, isn't there? We've got the more than and less than symbol, don't we, here? So let's have a look. So we're comparing. So we've got more than and less than and the equals to symbol, don't we? Okay. So more than, this part, the big part would be open on the bigger number. You would have this open and pointing towards the bigger number, okay? So let's have a look at 7 times 5. So I'm going to use my fingers to help me with that. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, because I've gone 7 times. So I'm going to write 5 times 7, and I'm going to write it under here, actually, just to help me with this. 5 times 7, not 5 times 7, 7 times 5 is 35, isn't it? Let's have a look at this. 5 times 8, okay? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Okay, that is 40. I'm going to write that under there to help me with my more than and less than number. So I know that 40 is bigger than 35, so I need to make sure my more than symbol is open at the 40. My 40 is bigger, so it needs to fit in the bigger space, okay? And I'm going to let you have a go at that last one on your own as a complete extra challenge. Challenge yourself if you can. If you can't do this, don't worry. Don't get really worked up and just try your hardest. If you can't do it, that doesn't matter. All you've got to do is try your best, okay? So have a go at that worksheet, and I hope you enjoyed my video. But yeah, good learning, great listening today, and I can't wait to see the work you've been doing. Get counting in 5s, everybody. Have a lovely day.